Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to use exchange offer Flipkart. In order to use an exchange offer on Flipkart, you must buy a new product with an exchange options and then hand over your old functionable device to a delivery executive. So the exchange offer is available for a specific product category, primarily mobile phones itself. So what you need is, first thing first, go ahead and open the Flipkart app on your device, and then you have to search for a new product. So basically find the items you wish to buy on the Flipkart app or a website, and then you have to verify the exchange option. So basically look for the buy with exchange options on the product page. Not all products are eligible for an exchange offer. You need to check your location, so that is basically enter in your pin code to confirm that the exchange facility is available in your area. After which, what you need is select the buy with exchange option. Click on the button to begin the process. Fill out the exchange form. You will need to provide details of your old device, including its brand and model as well. Then you need to enter in the IMEI number. For phones, you need to put in the IMEI number, and you can find this by dialing star #06# on your phone. So that's the way you'll be able to use the exchange offer Flipkart. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.